Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, in this video, I want to show you how to create a bot to screen. Firstly, I'm gonna tell you that we have 6 steps in this tutorial. Alright, let's check it out. The first step, modify a bot screen and build content widget. Rename the container with scaffold. Then we have body, so we add a stack with the children. The second step, create background image widget. In stack children, we add a container and add a decoration by box decoration, and in image we add decoration image, and image parameter we add asset image and put their path of image. Don't forget we add a fit by box fit dot cover. The third step, create rich tag header. In the children of stack, we add a container and we set height and width by get the value from the context using getX component. The color we set with opacity. We add a column, and children of column we add a rich text widget. Rename the text value. Set the text style. Add a padding for horizontal and vertical. Make a space with the size box. Rich tag have children, and in the children we add a tag span widget. Fourth step, create title and subtitle widget. Under rich tag widget, we add a column widget, and in children of column, we add two tags. Text for title, text for subtitle. Between title and subtitle, we make a space with a size box. Set cross-axis alignment to be start in order to be light line. Add a spacer widget, so we have an extend space between rich tag header and title subtitle. Fifth step, create option button widget. Make a space by using size box and add a value builder. This is a component, or this is a widget from a getX component, which has the function of partially changing the state of widget. Set initial value with 0. In the row children, add option widget that I have created before. You can check it in the shared widget folder. Field enable parameter with the operation of true or false. After one done, duplicate it and modify. Set up that fn function in onTap parameter for changing step trigger. Then make a space with a search box widget. 6th step, create back and next button. Make a space with a search box, then create a row widget with children that have 2 text buttons. In onPress parameter, put get.back void status. It will bring us to previous screen. After one text button done, you can duplicate and modify the parameters. In a container widget, add height, weight, and color in order to make it different from text button before. Wrap the text with the center widget in order to be centered in the button. Wrap the title and subtitle with the light widget and set alignment to be center left in order to make it left light. Then finally, use a spacer widget for extend space between back button and the next button. If you find this tutorial or one of my others helpful and would like to see more like it in the future, consider to support me by buying me coffee, link in description. Please do subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you back here next video.